Hey guys, welcome to yet another podcast of the Footy Podcast. And this is Harish.
Hi guys, this is Shaunak. Please welcome to TFP. And today here we are here to preview the match of PSG versus Manchester City Champions League semi-final.
Yeah, it's El Clasico, El Clásico, El Clásico,
Well,
Oil Clásico, whatever you want to name it. People have been giving it so many names.
absolutely, absolutely. I think it's cash-rich semi-final to be honest, and the hype is real, the real hype.
I think, as people are saying, it's final before the final, and I don't doubt it.
Hmm,
And PSG, to be honest, have been playing finals, two finals before the finals. I mean, the Bayern Munich was one
exactly.
was all like it was final for the last year. It could have been easily the final for this year. And
Yeah, yeah.
now, and it what is surprising is that bookies are making City favorite. I mean, that is surprising to me.
See, what I personally think is City has already won the game if you consider the bench. Like bench पे तो वो मैच जीत गए. मतलब City का bench देख
Uh,
and PSG का bench देख. That in that sense,
oh,
City
how
has
can
already
you
won.
say? PSG has a decent bench.
But if you see City's bench, bro, like it's a lot of
But
quality
it just,
players.
it just, it's very false narrative because Sterling and Jesus is are out of form, like bang out of form. मतलब अगर खाली बॉल भी मिलेगा ना, they will just kick the ball above the bar. I'm telling you. टीमो वर्नर वाला हाल, the last match, Chelsea जो किया उसने, the same
Huh.
thing. You saw the match
But
कैसे हुआ था, like Chelsea वाला. I mean, Timo Werner could have killed the game.
oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. But I don't think like the PSG has PSG के पास कौन है मतलब इतना.
PSG they have like Rafinha, like Icardi on the bench, and they have decent players on the bench. It's not like that.
I know that they can also bring Draxler if they want.
Drexler will
Yeah,
start.
Draxler can play. I think Draxler will start.
Hmm.
And ना City का bench देख यार तू मतलब.
अरे वही तो बोल रहा हूँ यार, फॉल्स नैरेटिव है ना कि मतलब तू स्टर्लिंग को काउंट कर रहा है ना, स्टर्लिंग जेसस को काउंट कर रहा है, बट एंड अग्वेरो को काउंट कर रहा है. लेट मी टेल यू,
Hmm.
Aguero has not been playing for like so many matches, like since like last. I mean, he has not played a single 90 minutes match. Just one match I think he played, and it was like just one off. Like it was not like in a continuous manner. तो उसने एक मैच खेला है. Sterling has been missing chance. I don't know when was the last time he scored. I mean, Jesus also same thing. So
Hmm.
I mean, they are like quality, but now at this moment of time they are bang out of form. So this City has depth in squad. I don't know how much to believe in that, but definitely.
But
Uh, I mean,
but
overall,
considering
I think if you look in the on the pitch, I think person to person, City has more quality,
okay.
but they
But
have
I think City have got great players like Ferran Torres also. You're not taking him into consideration. Ferran Torres, then this guy Bernardo Silva.
Bernardo Silva will start, so he will definitely
He'll
start.
start.
Yes,
So Mahrez
yes.
on the bench.
No, no, no. Bernardo Silva will probably play as a false nine. Phil Foden on
Okay.
the left, Mahrez on the right.
Yeah. Mahrez on the right, Bernardo Silva false nine, left Foden,
Yeah.
and the mid three will be Fernandinho,
No, no,
either
no,
Fernandinho or Rodri.
no. Definitely Rodri, KDB, and Gundogan.
Gundogan, De Bruyne, I think sure shot, no doubt. Like
Definitely,
they are fixed.
definitely, and even Rodri
And
also. Rodri has been
Rodri,
all the matches for us, like just like
hmm,
all the important ones at least.
like I think वो क्या बोलते हैं he has been a tank in Premier League.
He's,
Rodri.
he has adapted very well actually, and but he makes mistakes here and there. I think I just hope that he doesn't make mistakes in this one and cost us the match. But he is assured with possession, and I don't know. Sometimes he make mistakes, but I rely upon him like touch wood. But I don't know. So yeah, I think
But I personally think that he has been a great revelation in terms of
definitely,
transfer
definitely.
sagas, and he used to play in Atletico Madrid, right?
Yes,
Previously.
yes.
So to gel in with Pep's tactics, matlab,
Amazing.
he's really
Yeah,
doing well.
he's technically very smart. I mean, he is supposed to be the new Busquets, the next Busquets for Spain. Also, he will probably hold that position for the
Hmm.
time to come. Or I think सही है यार वो पेप like what is good there about that position is that Pep used to play that position. So out of any other
Absolutely.
position, Pep can actually impart knowledge on that position the most, and so that's why I think even Kimmich at Bayern and now him here, Rodri, I think they would be benefiting like as we are already seeing with
I think
Kylian.
his number six have done a lot of wonders in
Yes,
last recent years.
yes,
European teams में उसके
yeah,
like he has managed Barca, Bayern and now City.
yes,
बारसा में तो वो बुस्केट्स था ही मतलब अभी भी है नो डाउट एंड बायर्न में किमिक
yeah.
एंड नाउ फर्नांडिनियो देन अभी रॉड्री उसका सक्सेसर
Even Thiago when he was there, like in
हाँ
the,
थियागो एग्जैक्टली वो तो मैं भूल नहीं सकता
hmm. So yeah, I mean, I think the backline will be Diaz and Stones. I don't know.
डिया स्टोन्स
This is tricky. अगर तू 3 हफ्ते पहले पूछता, I don't know. It was definitely Stones, but now I don't know. I mean, probably Stones, but
नहीं
it's not
स्टोन्स आई डोंट थिंक स्टोन्स आई थिंक लपोर्ट एंड डियाज राइट में वॉकर
Walker.
वॉकर एंड लेफ्ट में कैंसेलो
Yeah, yeah. But I don't know. Stones has been making mistakes for like every match for the past 3-4 matches, and I don't know if Guardiola will take that into consideration because Mbappe आएगा यार.
टेल मी वन थिंग हरीश कि गोलकीपर कौन खेल सकता है लाइक फॉर द लास्ट टू मैचेस ये जैक स्टेफन खेला था ना
No. That's just for cup competition. Edison, definitely. उसमें कोई शॉक.
बट दैट वाज वो तो कब फाइनल था उसमें जैक स्टेफन खेला था सो
No. Guardiola gave this statement that he might lose the match, but he don't want to lose the team. So he wants to keep the team together. So इसीलिए it was a chance for Stefan to also play his part in this whole season. So
ओके
yeah, that's why he played all these other players also in the FA Cup semi-final. Like all the out of form players were playing in that. It was not because he did not trust them. It's just that he wanted to keep the squad together because he believes, and I think which is true, that all of them will be very big part for the rest of the games, like 5 in Premier League and
एब्सोल्युटली
the 3 in the Champions League, possibly 3 in the Champions League. So yeah, that's
राइट
why.
राइट
But Edison is number one definitely.
ओके बट आई थिंक सिटीज गेम विल बी वन इन मिडफील्ड एंड फ्रंट थ्री व्हाट डू यू थिंक आई डोंट
Exactly.
थिंक डिफेंसिवली नहीं जीत सकते
I
सिटी वाले
mean, we are the team that try likes to keep possession, so midfield is like a very important for us. And so I think yes, if our midfield like connects and like links up together good, I think yeah, we will be able to like carve some openings and hopefully our attackers be clinical because we know Mbappe would be clinical. So
या
yeah.
वी आर कमिंग देयर डोंट वरी
Mm.
सो आई थिंक who should start as a striker for City? Like
False nine,
Bernardo,
Bernardo.
false
Yeah,
nine, Bernardo Silva.
yeah.
I don't think Bernardo Silva will start as a false nine. I personally think either Phil Foden will start. Left में वो स्टर्लिंग को डाल सकता है मतलब
I
if
don't know,
possible
man.
स्टर्लिंग
Sterling is
राइट में महाराज
very out of form, bang out of form. But you were very correct with Chelsea's prediction, so I don't know. You might Sterling might, but I don't think so. But I with City, I don't think so. I think no
well I'll
Sterling
give
will
my
come here.
prediction at the end don't worry I'll give my final prediction at the end मतलब predict करेंगे
But I was surprised with the Rudiger call, man. You were absolutely right on that, and he was a big difference. Zuma was not featuring in that match. That was a shock for me.
Rudiger, N'Golo Kante, these
N'Golo
people
Kante
were
was like, oh God, he was
oh,
prime N'Golo Kante again. God, it was
again
so good to
absolutely
see him like that. I mean, it was
yeah
scary to see him like that. I mean, in the prospect of facing him
superb खेला है
probably in
वो
the
superb
finals, you know,
मतलब the fact that he was facing the midfield try of Real Madrid, not
they
just any
ran, they
normal
ran rings around them. Like, I mean, of
absolute.
course, they had like, they had all their own influence in the match, but like Mount was able to clearly go past easily against Modric, and Casemiro was the one who actually like stood his ground and was able to like command bit in the mid.
Hmm.
Later on, Cruz also was also involved in the game, but when from the beginning, Chelsea took the game to Real and they were very unfortunate to concede because it was just class man from Benzema. Like if I don't think if Benzema would have been there, Real would have scored. I don't think Real would have scored. Benzema was a huge
Real was not opening properly. मतलब
yes.
क्या बोलते हैं, डिफेंसिवली दे वर टाइट at certain point, but
Yeah,
midfield में the game was won by Chelsea, I would say. Like Jorginho, Kante मस्त खेले, बहुत ही class.
Kante was everywhere. Like, oh my God, fuck.
Superb, superb. मतलब I was very shocked कि Modric, Kroos और Casemiro were getting a hell of a fight by N'Golo Kante. मतलब I'm
I
not,
mean,
क्या बोलते हैं,
N'Golo
balls
Kante is a World Cup winner, man. He was the
of the
main
absolutely.
driving force for them world. So you can't count him out. It's just that he has
नहीं
been
नहीं,
not consistent because of
he
injury.
shouldn't be written off. He shouldn't be
Yeah,
written off. It's too early
because
to write him off because
he has
he's
done
got a lot of experience.
yeah, I mean, he won the league with Leicester. He won the World Cup with France. Like,
He
how
also won the
can
league with Chelsea,
yeah, did he? Yes, he won. No, did he? Yes, he won the
16,
yeah. With
17.
Conte. With Conte, he won the league with Chelsea.
Kante won with Conte, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, it's he, he, he's amazing. So like, there's no doubt.
मतलब there's a
And he
famous
always
famous
and one
statement
thing is
by,
that he always comes up in big matches. He always shows up in big matches as well.
he's a big game player,
Yeah,
absolutely, no doubt. There's a famous statement by Paul Pogba also. Okay, I don't fall back because I
yeah.
know N'Golo Kante is there. I think he has got 15 lungs.
Yeah, I mean, even like the last match, Gary Lineker like was tweeting that we are just covered the match and we are going back probably, and
Hmm.
Conte will be following us. So that's like how he is. So it's just crazy. I mean,
They say now like 70% of Earth is covered by
but-
N'Golo Kante या water क्या वो कुछ तो statement है ना ऐसा.
exactly, why? I mean, so I think so. But let's move on to like PSG now because
PSG.
they are. I think in my eyes they are the favorites because they were very close. They were this close to getting the Champions League final last year, and they have the taste for it now. They have the same
They
squad.
were in the final. They were in the final
No, no,
against Bayern.
getting the Champions League, like
Yeah. Yeah, they were
and I
this
think
close, this close.
yeah, they were. I think they were unlucky to not get it because of some incredible saves from Neuer and some like bit of like fortunes with Bayern because it was
Mhm.
not like they dominated. Bayern did not dominate PSG. It was like PSG lost that match, but I don't think like it was like total domination by Bayern. So they were this close. They were unlucky not to win probably,
Mm.
and so yeah, again, this time they are coming back for it again with more
But
maturity, more yeah.
hmm, but I'll say कि Bayern का Lewandowski एक तो missing था
Hmm,
during quarter final,
hmm,
and this time City has got attacking forces, no doubt.
hmm.
And I'll say कि City's midfield is superior to PSG's midfield. What do you think?
I think yes,
Midfield बोल
definitely.
रहा हूँ मैं सिर्फ.
Yes, definitely. I
Because
I
I
I,
don't think
I
कि
I like to think so. I mean, they have like Paredes, Herrera, and Verratti is class. Keep him apart. But
वो
Herrera,
ये भी है ना Idrissa Gueye या क्या वो Gueye
Idrissa Gueye, he came from Everton, I think. So I
Everton
think
या.
Danilo, they have good midfield, but they are not exceptional midfield. And I'm not worried about midfield. I'm worried about the attack. Like, I mean, Di Maria, Neymar, Mbappe. I mean, Di
Headache.
Maria like
Headache.
comes like gets into a bit of shadow because of Mbappe and Neymar, but he is class. Like he is just amazing. Like he has been performing so well recently, like all with this tricks and flicks and everything. He is amazing, and
Absolutely.
he will cause a lot of havoc on the and Cancelo. Like he is supposed to be like going to be one of the creative forces as well. So I don't know how he will be able to manage. Like
I think if Neymar plays on the left, uh, then Walker will have a great running battle with him, and on the
I
right side, you know,
if it comes to running, I will probably back Walker when it's Neymar. But if it's Mbappe, I don't know like who will win.
खत्म है भाई. Walker will be that bhai.
No, I know I will not count out Walker like that. But it's just that I think he has bit some of like when it comes to footballing IQ, I think it just he lacks a bit. It's crazy to say, but I mean sometimes his decision making, especially in the final, that he does not offer at all anything. So, but
Hmm.
like he's defensively a bit solid. So but we need this game. This game is crazy. This game is so amazing. Like for neutrals
जी,
as
मतलब
well.
ये ऐसा this is like a proper big game, like
Yeah, of
बड़े teams
course.
की मैच है ये.
Hmm.
मतलब last year I know कि they were underdogs in semi-final, appreciated no doubt, but this is the game. This is the game that
Hmm.
we want to watch.
Yeah,
सबसे बड़ा game है.
yeah. Everyone is like despising this game, like all the neutrals.
हाँ.
I know that, but but everyone wants to watch this. I know that.
Yes, no doubt.
See,
So which player literally scares you when it comes to the attacking
Mbappe.
force of PSG? Mbappe.
Yes, because
I was
I've been
expecting.
saying
I was
it like
expecting that. Yeah.
I've been like I mean I've been saying this since the beginning, like ki Mbappe will be like a force this season, and he is. He's scoring in every big match. Every I think he scored against Bayern. He scored against Barcelona. He's scoring in his league for fun. And
Hmm.
when he played like against us when he was in Monaco, he scored against us then also when he was just a teenager. So he likes to score and he likes to torment defense. And I don't know how. I mean, we were kind of able to contain Haaland, the other great at striking player on this planet, but I don't know how we'll manage with both Mbappe and Neymar because it's just Neymar it's himself like demands attraction attention of two three people.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So it just we have to be this game if needs like in as a City fans perspective I feel like we need to be like perfect defensive to attack transition everything. We can't be
Hmm.
going into this match where we miss hundreds of chances and then try to score one off because no, this can't happen in this game. And that's what I'm fearing because we have been missing a lot of chances lately. I mean, we have been
Okay.
scoring like 1-0, 2-0 more at the most. So this game I don't think is supposed to be 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. it just
But
it's
I think
goals.
your defense is vulnerable. Your defense is, to
Of
be
course,
honest, vulnerable when it comes to Mbappe and Neymar.
every
Like
defense
your
is
defense is
vulnerable.
absolutely.
Who,
Yeah,
which
yeah. Like they
which defense is not vulnerable against Mbappe and Neymar? Which defense? No, none,
exactly.
nothing.
That's my point. Yeah.
They scored three against Bayern, Neuer, their backline. They were like they demolished Barcelona. I mean,
Barcelona.
yeah. So there's no defense that can sustain him.
So we have to end here with predictions.
Okay, tough. I don't want to predict. You do.
Okay, so I'll go with first. I'll just make a little bit of analysis.
Hmm.
Who will score? If Icardi starts, I think PSG will start with Icardi in center, Neymar on the left, and Mbappe on the right.
Hmm.
If they decide to
But
play 4-3-3, if they decide
but.
to play 4-3-3,
Hmm.
and the midfield try will be Varati
Hmm.
and Paredes
Hmm.
and Danilo, either Danilo and this guy,
So you
Idrissa
think
Gueye.
so you think they will bench Di Maria and Drexler both?
They can bring in. Matlab, they can bring them in the second half,
I
I
think Di
believe,
Maria will start. No, Icardi won't
because
start.
Pochettino knows Guardiola, like he has beaten
Yeah,
several times.
but not several times. But yeah,
Yeah, but a good record, I believe.
yeah, I think. But I don't think that they will bench Di Maria for this. I think they will bench Icardi. Yeah, because Di Maria is
Icardi,
on fire. Yeah, I mean Mbappe through the
okay.
mid, Neymar on the left, and Di Maria on the right.
Di Maria on the right. Okay,
Yeah. Hmm.
4-3-3.
Yes.
Okay,
Or,
and City.
or maybe three at the back they will play. Like
नहीं नहीं वो तीन नहीं खेलते कभी वो they don't play three at the back.
hmm.
And City will start with Cancelo. First of keeper Ederson, no
सिटी तो
doubt.
हमने कर दिया सिटी तो हमने कर दिया लेट्स जस्ट डू
कर
पीएसजी
दिया City का कर so no doubt. So the prediction for that match is difficult है यार. तू बता पहले.
I can't I don't want to
You scared I know. So I'll go with PSG 2-1.
okay
Mbappe to score and City का it will come from a set piece I guess. I'm not sure. Sure तो मैं हूँ नहीं obviously.
okay
And और एक कौन मारेगा PSG का? Kimpembe. Kimpembe.
I was thinking of Kimpembe not because of scoring I was like we did not do the defense so he would be there him and Marquinhos yeah Kimpembe and Marquinhos
Marquinhos and Kimpembe. Yep. उनका लेफ्ट बैक कौन है by the way? Is Julian Bernat, right?
इनका उनका लेफ्ट बैक बर्नार्ड है I think right back is Florenzi right Florenzi or whatever that guy from
Florenzi, I guess.
Roma he's amazing also
ये क्या नाम है उसका? Check. फ्लोरेंस ही है.
He's very good. He's very good.
Superb.
Bernat
Decent
is
player.
also very tricky.
मस्त प्लेयर है वो. डायलो भी खेलता है वो. डायलो.
Diallo. But I
Hmm.
don't think he will start.
No option.
Maybe there are some injury issues, but as far as I know, I think their squad is good.
Yeah. अच्छा squad है. But defensively, I don't think he.
I mean, they are
the
fit
thing.
all, and there's no major injury issues over there.
See, midfield, I've already told you कि
Hmm.
midfield तो City का जीतने वाला against PSG का midfield. There's no question.
But this match will. I mean, I think more than that, it would be like which team keeps its nerves more.
Exactly.
I think which team takes the like game by the scruff of its neck, and then I don't know. I think PSG will be much more relaxed, but because City has not started like against Dortmund, also we started so badly. I mean, I am just we need to be more confident. But you can see me, I am not that confident, but I am excited. But I think eventually, I think we just should be like very very disciplined, and then eventually it will come because once you go into the game,
Yeah.
then everything. But I don't want that scenario again where we like concede and then we become normal. That happens with us. No, just
Mm-hmm.
go into game and just
Let's see.
get settled very
Let's
quickly.
hope for the best and let's hope for the great game.
Yeah.
I want goals galore as a
Or
neutral.
maybe totally boring game, but City wins.
Nah. Okay, so we'll have to end here. So
Yeah.
we'll
Okay.
just say. So
So
yes, thank you guys. Please share, subscribe, comment, and you can also post your predictions in the comment section. So we'll sign off. Thank you so much, TFP. Please subscribe.